Hey guys, today I'm going to show you an affordable way to relocate your license plate. Yee! Let's get it. For this, you're going to need a steel-plated flat bar. I got this from Home Depot for like about $5-6. Some screws, a block of wood, some vinyl wrap or plastic dip spray paint if you want to change the color of the steel bar, and maybe some 3M tape and a license plate depending on how you want to put it up. You may need some zip ties as well. First, you're gonna see where you want to put the bar and measure it out. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put it right here. I used a piece of wood and I bent this side up so that it gets the curve of the wood. I measured mine and I did the same thing to the other side. So we're gonna try to break this side off. I bent and did everything backwards, so I had to use this saw and it came right off. So what I did next was wrap the bar. But you could always spray paint it. I decided to make 4 holes. 2 for the license plate screws, 1 for another screw, and 1 for a zip tie. This is a hack. You guys can actually scrape it onto the pavement or a brick and it'll round out the corners. This is how it looks like after I zip tied the bar onto my car and screwed in the license plate. I didn't put it where I originally mentioned because it didn't work out.